In this video, we are going to look at how you insert hyperlinks in pages. So a hyperlink could be to another page in the website, it could be a document you've stored, it could be an external website. But whatever type of link it is, there's three main ways that you can insert a link in the editor. So let's look at the first one, which is the simplest one, and this is to insert a link into text. So we're just going to create a new paragraph here, say read more here, and then what we want to do is to block that, and at the top you'll see a little chain link here. So we click that, dialog comes up, and a URL, which means a universal resource location, and we're going to type in Google's address, because of course Google rules the world. We're going to open it in a new window, because if you open an external link in a new window, it means that your website is still sitting there next to it, and it is easier to go back to your website from the one you've just visited. That's quite important, because you don't want to draw people away from your website and not able to get back again. So we read more here. The title in a link is actually quite important, because if you have someone who is has sight problems and they use a special reader for their website, it needs to be able to read the link and read it out loud to the person who's viewing. So we need the title, a Google link. So let's click on OK, and there's our link. Let's save that. So that's how you insert a text link. You can do the same really with any piece of text. You can type it, you can base it on a single word or a paragraph like that. So the second way of creating a hyperlink is to do it through an image. So when you click on an image, one of the links that comes up is the chain link, and the top line of this has the image file that we're showing. So we'll give it a title, and we're going to give it a link. So let's give it a title. Let's call it link to Google. And then the link is a website now. Okay, there we go. We're going to open it in a new window again, and we'll click on OK. Okay, let's save that. Let's go down a bit. And let's look at another way you can do it. You can create a separate button. So when we click on our paragraph, a little dialog comes up down here which enables you to add something below that paragraph that you're in. We click that, and one of the options is a button. So this is a plain simple button, don't worry about that. But you can see the hand cursor image appears when you float over it. When you click that, another set of links appears, and again you can create a hyperlink. Link to Google, open in a new window. That's the text in the button, and again you can add more to that if you want. You can add more, read more here. You can say Google link, click on OK, and there we go, and there's our button. We'll look separately at how you can format buttons, because there are all sorts of different ways you can bring up color and make the button a different shape and so on. So we'll be looking at that separately. So that is three ways you can create a hyperlink on your page with text, through an image, and through a button.